Nigerian leaders beware of danger ahead after Nnamdi Kanu defends himself in court. The Oba of Lagos has issued a stern warning to Nigerian leaders about the impending danger that lies ahead following the recent court appearance of Nnamdi Kanu. In a bold move, Nnamdi Kanu defends himself in court, sparking widespread attention and concern among the nation's leaders. The Oba of Lagos warning suggests that the consequences of Kanu action may far-reaching and potentially disastrous for those in power. As the situation continues to unfold, many are left wondering what the future holds for Nigeria and its leaders. Will they heed the Oba's warning, or will they ignore the danger that lies ahead? Watch to find out more about this developing story and the potential implication for Nigeria's future. Nigerian leader, a storm is brewing. The Oba of Lagos has issued a stark warning about the danger that lies ahead for our nation. All eyes are on Nnamdi Kanu, who recently took a bold stand in court defending himself with unwavering confidence. This action could ignite a series of events that may challenge the very fabrics of our society. The Oba's message is clear: complacency is not an option. As leaders, it's crucial to recognize the underlying tension and address the issue that fuel unrest among our people. Ignoring this signal could lead to consequences that no one can afford. Kanu's defense is not just a personal battle, it symbolizes a larger struggle for justice and representation. The people are watching and they are restless. Leaders must engage in dialogue and seek solutions before it's too late. The time to act is now. The Oba of Lagos urges all leaders to listen and respond with wisdom and foresight. The future of our nation may depend on it. Today, I'm diving deep into the bold court defense by Nnamdi Kanu and challenging myself to uncover what this means for Nigerian leaders moving forward. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), has been a significant figure in Nigerian politics for years. His recent court defense has stirred up a lot of debate and discussion across the country. The potential implications of Kanu's court defense on Nigerian leadership and governance are multifaceted. One major concern is the impact on national stability. If Kanu defense is seen as successful or even justifiable, it could embolden other separatist movements or groups with similar grievances. This could lead to increased tension and potentially even violence, which would be a challenge for the Nigerian government to manage. Another implication is the effect on public perception of the government handling of the situation. If the government is seen as heavy-handed or unfair in its response to Kanu's defense, it could erode trust in the government and its institution. This could have a long-term consequences for governance and stability in Nigeria. The court's decision and the government's response will also have a significant impact on the future of the separatist movement in Nigeria. A lenient sentence or a perceived victory for Kanu could galvanize support for similar movement, while a harsh sentence could be seen as a crackdown or dissent. Kanu's defense strategy has been quite bold, focusing on the right of the Igbo people and allegation of marginalization. His legal team has argued that Kanu's action were justified as a form of self-defense against perceived oppression. The legal context of Kanu's case is complex, involving charges of terrorism and treason. The prosecution has argued that Kanu's action posed a significant threat to national security, while his defense has claimed that he was simply fighting for the right of his people. Reactions from political leaders and the public have been mixed. Some have praised Kanu for standing up for what he believed, while others have condemned his action as treasonous. The international community has also been watching closely, with some human rights groups expressing concern about the potential for human rights abuses. A pivotal moment in the court proceedings came when Kanu reportedly argued that his actions were not aimed to destabilize the country, but at drawing attention to to the grievances of the Igbo people. The statement could shift public opinion or political dynamics as it framed its action as a form of protest rather than terrorism. Kanu's statement has sparked a national conversation about the issue facing the Igbo people and the need for a greater inclusivity and representation in Nigerian politics. The significance of Kanu's statement lies in its potential to humanize him in his cause in eyes of public. By framing his action as a form of protest, Kanu may have succeeded in gaining people's sympathy and support. The court defense by Kanu has significant implications for Nigerian leaders and future policies. It highlights the need for a greater dialogue and understanding between different groups in the country. In conclusion, Kanu's court defense has opened up a can of worms, and its impact will be felt for a long time. Share your thoughts on this in the comment below. Check out my related video for more insight on Nigerian politics. Thank you for watching.